Right, so you all have the opportunity to see our students experience electricity in real time.
It's still a conductor, light is still a conductor. So you'll still be able to cut on.
A lot of times our kids go home, they cut on the lights, and they don't even realize where the electricity is coming from, how it's flowing. They plug up their Christmas trees and don't even know that, hey, I just plugged this up, but something is happening on the inside. Something is making these lights light up. The great part about us at BTW, that we are so small that all students have the opportunity to experience the class. With the help of Dr. Britnum and Dr. Richmond, they both pushed our paperwork through. They allow multiple different companies to come in and just kind of renew our spaces. Students, teachers, parents, community, let them all know we are actively enrolling students. Please come on over. We are accepting middle school students all throughout the year. Anything science, technology, engineering, or math related, we have that here for them. They can practice those skills. They can experience those careers through our virtual reality. We have AI technology. We have robotics. All those things right here at the Booker T. Washington High School.